us to see. London, London town. Let's take a stroll through England's history. You'll wander around Hyde Park all day.
Stop and take a look.
And if you're tired of wandering, sit and read a book. Buckingham Palace is right in London. It's so very grand. It was built many years ago, and it was built by hand. London, London town. There's so many places for us to see. London, London town. Let's take a stroll through England's history. Take a look down the river Thames.
It's wanted too long.
London Bridge is standing tall, and it's standing strong. There's so many pigeons flying around this big old town, and every hour on the dot you hear old Big Ben sound. London, London town. There's so many things for us to see. London, London town. Let's take a stroll through England's history.